nervous system controls the functions of our bodies through electric signals. It is divided into the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The main components of the central nervous system are the brain and the spinal cord.
Spinal cord and cranial nerves. Scherschner 1. Cerebrum. Structure. The largest part of the brain divided into two hemispheres, left and right, each containing 4 lobes, frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. Function. Controls higher-order brain functions like reasoning, memory, decision-making, emotions, and voluntary movement. Processes sensory information, e.g. vision, hearing, touch. Left hemisphere often handles logic and language. The right hemisphere manages creativity and spatial abilities. 2. Cerebellum. Structure. A smaller cauliflower-shaped structure located below the cerebrum at the back of the brain. Function. Coordinates voluntary movements like balance, posture, and fine motor skills. Plays a role in learning motor tasks and maintaining equilibrium. Number 3. Brainstem. Structure. Connects the cerebrum and cerebellum to the spinal cord, made up of the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. Function. Controls basic life-sustaining functions such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. Acts as a pathway for messages between the brain and the body. Houses many cranial nerve nuclei that regulate reflexes like swallowing and coughing. 4. Spinal cord structure. A cylindrical structure of nervous tissue that runs from the brainstem down through the vertebral column. Function. Transmits signals between the brain and the rest of the body. Controls reflex actions independently of the brain through reflex arcs. Contains both sensory, ascending, and motor, descending pathways. 5. Cranial nerves. Structure. 12 pairs of nerves originating from the brain and brainstem. Function. Responsible for transmitting sensory and motor signals to and from the head and neck, except the vagus nerve, which extends to the thorax and abdomen. Examples: olfactory nerve, eye, smell; optic nerve, 2, vision; facial nerve, 7, facial expressions and taste; vagus nerve X, controls heart rate, digestion, and other autonomic functions. These components together form the central nervous system, CNS, and peripheral nervous system, PNS, enabling the body to sense, respond, and maintain essential functions.